Well, good afternoon, everybody, or good morning, whichever time you're looking at this. Tim from Indecisive Garage. We're at part 4 of the Stump Grinder. Today, I finally got all the teeth on the wheels, the cutter teeth. So I got an email from Vermeer, and they suggested 2 straight, 2 round. 2 straight, 2 curved. So that's how I did it. And when I started working on this before, this wheel was not balanced very well. Now it's pretty close. Close enough for me. I'm pretty happy with that. So it looks pretty good. On to fresh gas and fix that carburetor and get this thing running. Then we can put it to work. Catch me later.